Hello guys, I am Vincent Ray Hernani, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to attach a visor to the helmet. And here I have a helmet and a visor. What you're gonna do is to look for the push button, the red push button. You pull it down and make sure and this part is aligned to the visor. I'm gonna attach this. Then you're gonna attach this. Make sure it's aligned. And here we go. And now for the other side of the helmet. Make sure it's attached. And voila! It is ready. You have a helmet visor. Thank you for watching my video and God bless.